guys, it's bitter leaf soup on the menu for me today, and I thought of taking you along. So here I've got my sauteed tomatoes and onions, and I've been sauteing this for about 3 minutes or so, and now you can see that the tomatoes and the onions look separated from the oil, so that's when you know your tomatoes is ready. So I'll go ahead now and add my egusi. I'm making this bitter leaf soup with egusi. There are various ways of making bitter leaf soup. How I prepare my egusi is that I blend my egusi and cook it separately, just so that I make sure that the egusi is well cooked. Because for me, I need to cook my egusi for at least 30 to 40 minutes. So I've blended my egusi and I've cooked it separately. So I'm just going to pour that into my tomatoes and onion mixture and give that a gentle stir. Egusi is melon seed, so most people from Africa will surely know what egusi is. You can have egusi soup, you can have it with other vegetables. There are loads of dishes that can be derived from egusi. My protein of choice for this soup is turkey, beef, and cow leg. I've already cooked that, added a bit of dry fish, so you can use any protein of your choice. So just give that a good stir. With this method, this can just be egusi soup as well, where you add your seasoning and allow it to cook, and you can have this with rice, whatever source of carbohydrate that you want. So but in this case, I'm going to add bitter leaf in a moment. So I'm going to add my seasoning now. Add some salt. Bear in mind that when I was cooking my protein, source of protein, I already added some salt and some seasoning. Add some seasoning cube, a tablespoon of garlic, ginger, and black pepper. That's already blended. I blend that and keep in the fridge just to save me time when I'm cooking. And then I'll add my crayfish. It's like dried prawns. I'm going to give it a stir. I'll taste as I go along to see if everything is okay. So I'm going to add my pre-washed bitter leaf. Let's give that a good stir. Look at that, it's already coming together, guys. And this is my husband's favorite vegetable. Once I have this at home, he can eat it all day, or all week, I'll say. It's one of our Cameroonian delicacies. If you're from Cameroon, you know this. So if there's little or no water in your pot at this point, you can add about half a cup of water just to cook up the bitter leaf a bit. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on the lid and allow it to simmer. Allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and if you need more water, I'll add a little bit, and then our bitter leaf soup will be ready. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing now.